the sun's shining and it's like the surf's really good and you get like such a good wave. It's just the best feeling.
I like the speed of it. I like trying to do tight turns on fast waves.
It's always a different experience. It's like flying a bit.
All across Ireland's coasts, there's a new generation of surfers emerging. Young, determined, and maybe a little bit crazy.
When you go out, you just forget everything. It's super fun and it's individual.
For us, surfing isn't just a sport. It shapes our days, our decisions, and our dreams. But hey, it's not always pretty.
First time I kind of worked out, I definitely got a shock.
Just getting pummeled, really, just bounced around the place.
Definitely a bit like a tumble dryer.
In surfing, you have to learn to take the rough with the smooth. But it's all worth it for that rush when you nail it. Trust me.
Oh, the adrenaline is so good. I love it. Yeah, I really like it.
This season, the top-ranked surfers will make the national team to represent Ireland at the European Championships.
There's like a lot more people coming up this year, so I'd say there's a lot more competitions. I hope I can make it.
I'm hoping the season goes really well and I'm going to qualify for the Euros. That would be awesome.
I hope to make top 3 and go to Europeans in summer.
This is the new wave of Irish surfing. We are pushing harder, charging bigger waves, and taking Irish surfing to the next level. For us Groms, the sea is our world. Yeah, that's what young surfers are called, Groms, short for grommet, not sure why. So yeah, this year us Groms will battle it out for a chance to represent our country.
So the junior tour consists of 6 competitions that take place around Ireland. This will determine our national champions for 2024. The team for the Europeans is going to be determined by the mid-season rankings. And from this, the top 3 surfers in the under-16s and the under-18s will go forward towards the team. And then we'll also choose the best boy and the best girl longboarder as well. And they'll all travel to Portugal as part of the Irish team. The under-14s don't get to travel to international events, but the under-14s do still compete, and their focus will be for national titles.
So that's what this season comes down to. Who will win the national championships, and more importantly, who will represent Ireland in the Euros. The competition's fierce, but so are we.